Hey, what's going on, Flash Mob? I'm back again with another video, and this time we're talking about templates in Honeybook and how it's going to elevate your business. Run the intro. Welcome back to all my subscribers, and what's up to all the new people checking out my videos for the first time. My channel is all about helping you turn your passion into a paycheck, and of course taking you on my filmmaking journey. If that's the kind of thing that you're into, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future videos. I'm going to be doing a full Honeybook breakdown in my Filmmaker Pro course. If you're looking for the best CRM program to keep your business organized, Honeybook is absolutely what you want to be looking at. I'm going to be leaving a 50% discount for your first year off Honeybook in the description below for anybody that's ready to go ahead and move forward with it today, as well as a pre-launch opt-in for my online course. Make sure you take advantage of both. Now let's get to this video. In Honeybook, they allow you to template just about anything in your business. But a few of the things I'm going to talk about are invoices, contracts, brochures, contact forms, proposals, questionnaires, and of course emails. These templates all work together to help your clients go from an inquiry all the way over to a paying client. Let's hop on a Honeybook and see how this all works. All right, so first things always, let's go over to the tools bar and head over to templates. On the left hand side is where you're going to see every single thing that you can template out in Honeybook. So invoices, contracts, proposals, questionnaires, everything that we just mentioned before. But let's go ahead and take a look at some email options. So as you guys can see, I have quite a few that I've already templated out. Now these are things that I know that I'm going to say to people, whether it's an introduction, a follow-up, thanking them for business, or the next step that we're going to be taking together. It's all templated out in this section for me. But let's just see how you go and create a new one. So first thing you always want to do is give your template a title. So this time we'll say production follow up. We'll use that and we'll make it the same thing here. We'll call it a follow up. So you'll start your emails off just like anything else. Hi, and then what Honeybooks allows you to do is put the client's name there, so you can automatically have it generated for you if you have a project already, or you can go ahead and enter in their name if you need to. Then you just type out your message. And then at the end, you can just leave your signature real easy by clicking on this button. Great, now an email is completely done and ready to go. Of course, you have all the different formatting options right here, like bold, italic, underline. You can even change the color of the text if you wanted to. You can create links on something here. So let's say, for example, I wanted them to visit my website, right? So let's type that in real quick. If you just type it out like that, it's not gonna do anything for you. Oops, I didn't even put my right email website. But there you go. Now it's like that. You can just highlight it and you can insert a link, and then basically you just put the link that you want it to go to. So I'll put my website, insert it there. Actually, you gotta do the whole HTTP // Now it's just basically a link, so you can just click on it, it'll take you over to my website. Pretty cool, pretty easy, straightforward. What's really, really good about Honeybook is that everything saves automatically also. So if you guys take a look over here, it says all changes saved. Boom, you're done. And just like that, you have another pre-made template ready to go. The other thing we're going to look at really quickly here is just how to create your signature. Something you're going to be leaving at the end of pretty much every email anyways, so let's take a look. So my signature is pretty simple. It just includes my name, my company, my position within the company, my cell phone number, my Instagram channel, and of course my website. And then I left the logo right over here so that it all just ties it all together. But pretty much that's all you got to do. Now for you, you can put in whatever information you want there, but as long as you have something that makes it easy for them to know who you are, know what you do, and get in contact with you if they need to, that's what an email signature is all about. You can pretty much go in through all your different templates and play around with what they already have there and create some other ones that you know you're going to need for sure. I will most definitely be creating a short video for each section that goes a little bit more into detail on how each option works for you and how it's going to help you ultimately bring it all together. So like I said before, make sure you subscribe and turn on the notifications so that you know exactly when I upload those videos. But really, that's going to be it for this video. Really short, really simple, telling you all about the things that you can do in terms of templates. Make sure you guys tune into the next videos because they're really going to help you elevate your game as an entrepreneur. And always remember, guys, to look, learn, and share. Take it easy, guys. Peace.